Our next competitor represents Hungary. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Union Man.
Second junior Grand Prix season for Julia, 15 years old, 12th after the short program, born in Budapest, coached and choreographed by Patricia Pavuk. 97.38 personal best from last season, skating her free program to Malaguena, performed by Stanley Black.
Once again, from Hungary, Union Man.
You can see her coming off the ice, just sort of shrugging her shoulders, going, boy, missed opportunity. She's really athletic and she's aggressive. Love the passion and the desire. She's not afraid of jumping. Timing was a little bit off. Certainly could be tighter in the air. See, in the legs, those feet are not really tight together. A little bit of space between the knees in the air. Let's take a look at that here as well. Yeah, you can see space between them. And although she can still get the elements done and lands it, it's a little under-rotated. Here's the triple Lutz a little bit later. Under-rotated and, you know, just not the quality. You want to be tight and straight and strong. I'll always say that. Open in the air there for the triple flip near the end of the program. You rotate slower. It's physically harder. Great traveling 3 turns into flying camel. Really good young athlete. And when she becomes a little bit more efficient in the air, watch out. Uses the momentum and the speed really well. Not afraid of anything. Nice.
The score is Prix. The free skate score for Julia Lang from Hungary.
Free program scores for Julia Lang from Hungary, 83.84. That's third in the free program so far, with a total competition score of 134.79. Julia moves currently into second place overall. There's a look at your top 5 so far. 11 skaters yet to come.